use the workout builder when creating and planning sessions, make sure the workout builder is activated. To do so, click on the three little dot, the team menu, go to team settings, team setting general, and make sure that the workout builder here is enabled. So it's blue here, it's activated, now it's deactivated, it's activated, and then you save. That's very simple. There is also an option a little bit below in the team setting, workout builder. You can also activate this yes here if you want the athlete to be able to add their own exercise to the program you prescribe them. No is by default. And if you want to remove some exercises from the list available to the athlete, you can also remove them. You can also enable or disable some workout template for the team. So you just deselect the workout template you don't want, and then you save it. To use the workout builder when planning your session, it's very, very simple. Open the team menu, go to planning, and you'll see all your session here. Click on the white space. Now you'll see the list of exercises on the left. The workout finder will include all the preset workout templates. Here, as usual, you select the team, the athletes for whom you want to plan the session. If you want to plan a repetitive session, so let's say you want to plan a block of sessions every Friday for 6 weeks, and then you want to use this 7-week off-season maximum strength workout, preset workout. You just select the dates here, and then you click on the workout template. Automatically, everything is here. So from week 1 to week 6 or week 7 or week whatever you've planned. It's all there. If you need to modify that, it's extremely simple. You just go in the cell, you make the changes you need. You can also apply a different loading scheme if you like. Add your own comments for each set and each exercise. If you want to add an additional exercise, you can just drag and drop. Do a 400 meter first here. That's easy. I'm just doing that, so it's going to be one repetition. It's going to be 2 minutes, and then it's going to be 3 minutes repetition or recovery, or I can also enter it this way. Simple as that. You verify your program, make sure everything is fine. That's a cool down, the warm-up it was before. You select the activity. If you have selected a session made for a specific sport, then automatically the activity will be selected here. And then you click Add Session. So the planning process is exactly the same as when you use the system without the workout builder. But with the workout builder, you will be able to plan multi-week program quite easily. The session I've planned is here. I can click on it. I can review the details. So that's for the first week. So the week after, the load will automatically be adapted according to the loading scheme you selected. Now, if I log in as an athlete, of course, the athlete can do that right on their smartphone. I go on this session here, and then I will be able to click the yellow button, and I will be able to enter my RPE, my level of enjoyment, and all my workout details. So this is what was planned, and this is actually what I've done. And because I mentioned in the team setting that I can modify the workout, then the athletes have access to this particular option, add set, so they can add additional set if needed. Once it's done, then the athlete can save the workout. To view the workout data entered by your athlete and track performance, click on the session from the calendar. Then click on the 3 little dots. Then you will be able for each exercise to compare planned and reported information. This is what you planned. This is what the athlete have been reporting. Then for each exercise, you'll have a little summary for the session. If you want to see a graph, click on the little line graph here, and then you will be able to see the average intensity for each session, the total volume per session of this specific exercise, and also the 1RM calculated automatically. You can also export or print the graph, and then of course open a different graph for a different exercise.